football team.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Lee. I'm in the 8th grade, and I like cosmetology and STEM.
In 2018, at least 42 kids have died from being left in overheated cars.
Since 1998, there has been at least 37 deaths from overheated vehicles each year. Even hundreds of pets die each year for being left in hot cars.
But we have a solution!
Cool it down!
Now you may be thinking, what is Cool It Down? Cool It Down is a project designed by us young Ford scholars. When you're in the car sometimes, you forget that you have an animal or sometimes a young child or a baby alone.
We have used microbricks to design and program a device that measures temperature inside cars.
If the temperature becomes too high, then the fan will turn on and cool down the car.
We believe that our invention will help prevent deaths due to hot cars. This is the microbrick. We're also using a mini servo to power the fan. Also, we're using a breakout board. Both the breakout board and the microbrick have wires connected to them. This wire powers everything up, and this wire connects the servo to the breakout.
With our microbrick, when you press A and B, you will see the thermometer and it tell you the temperature. And when the car reaches a certain temperature, the fan will automatically cut off.
When the thermometer reaches a certain temperature, it will get the fan to turn on, which.
First, we called it a microbrick. The first thing we put was our forever, and the reason why we put forever is so it can keep on doing it. Next, we went to variable, and we made a variable called display busy. Then we came and select if display busy, it will equal false. Then you have to do another one, plot bar graph, and then you have to you gotta bring down your temperature. Why we had the temperature is so we can know when the car is overheated or not. So then we put up to what we want the temperature to go up to when we need the buds and the fan to come on. We put up to 75 because that's when it get overheated. And here you go.
Our second line of code is on start, set display busy to false.
For the second part of our code, we went to input and then we had two on buttons because we have two buttons on our microbrick. So we have on button A and on button B. On button A is when the fan starts and on button B is when the fan stops. So the next part of our code is servo right pin and PO to 1800.
Okay. Our third line of code was on button A plus B press. When you press button A and B, you should get the temperature. So what we did was set display busy to true. Then we showed the number of temperature in Celsius. We paused it at 100 milliseconds and we went to 1000. Then we set display busy to false, and our temperature that we wanted was 25 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The audience we are trying to reach are people who own cars, mostly parents or pet owners.
The solution we have made is a community solution. Why this is a community solution? This is a community solution because when people leave their babies in the cars, they die, and it be on mistakes, and sometimes they really don't mean it. You can lose the love.
Problems we encountered while making our invention was we had to recode our microbrick several times because when we first began, our fan wasn't spinning all the way around, so we had to figure out, we had to like multiply how many times the motor inside the servo will move.
And once we found out our code was wrong, we immediately went to search and see what was wrong with it. And yes, we had struggles, like very bad struggles. But we did it and we figured it out. We got to the conclusion. And now our fan spins perfectly.
Since we only made a prototype, we expect our final project to look bigger. We expect it to stick to anywhere in your car and automatically turn on when the temperature is 75 degrees.